Hello everybody, my name is Adrian. So today I'm going to talk about how to get Bluetooth into almost any car. So it does need to have an auxiliary port. So here I got the 2014 Maserati Granturismo. So when this car was brand new, it had an MSRP of about $140,000. For $140,000, it did not come with Bluetooth. So it does have a connection, but it only works for phone calls. But as far as for listening to music, that function does not work. So a very basic feature about a car, and it lacks that feature. Now, it never really bothered me because, to be honest, this car is all about that Ferrari V8 engine sound, naturally aspirated. So to me, that's my music. But there are some times when I just want to chill and listen to some music. So that's what I'm gonna do today, is set up an adapter that'll let me have that connection. So here is what I got. So this was an adapter, $15 MPOW. So this lets me have Bluetooth connection. So the car came with this adapter. This was for an iPhone, I believe maybe iPhone 4 or an iPod. So it's even branded Maserati. So this is the connection they expected you to have your connection there for the auxiliary, and I guess they expected you to leave your phone there. Another thing that I used to do sometimes is I would connect my auxiliary cord there, and then I would have my phone laying there in the cup holder, but it just doesn't look good, especially if I got a passenger, having the cable kind of pressed in there. So it just doesn't look good, you know, on a car like this, especially when, like I said, when having a passenger in there. So let's show how this adapter works. So this is a rechargeable. So this is the charging cable here. We got the adapter itself, and then we have two forms of connection. So one of the forms of connection is using an auxiliary cord, and then the adapter will just be dangling in there somewhere. So I prefer to use this straight piece. That way it stays firm. So pushes into the port, then we turn this on. So I've already charged it, so it's got a full charge. Press the button, set it in the adapter. So on any other car, not necessarily a Maserati, but this is a great example because this one does not have it. So this video can help out on any other car, not just Maserati. And let's turn the key on. So now I go to my settings, Bluetooth settings. So now I go to where it says source. Well, it's already selected here for the auxiliary. So I've already connected this before, so it'll automatically connect this BH298. So that is the name of that connection. And let's just find the video real quick, just to play some music, something that doesn't have a copyright, so I don't get flagged. Let's turn up the volume a little bit. So this car has a good audio, Bose system, so it sounds really good. So yep, now I don't have to have the cables dangling. I can have a voice command on my phone. and that solves that issue for $15. So something they could have had on a $140,000 Maserati. So anyways, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos.